Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start with root or WHM access because cPanel usernames cannot be renamed directly. That is the reality. Once you have access, choose a new, valid username, keep it lowercase and under 16 characters. Next, create a full backup of the existing account or take an rsync snapshot to another disk. Make sure to include home, mail, and MySQL data. This prevents data loss and gives you a rollback if anything goes wrong during transfer. Now you create a new cPanel account in WHM using the new username and assign the same package or setting so permissions match. Once created, copy files, rsync hax numeric IDs /home/olduser/home/newser/ to preserve ownership and links. Then handle databases. Dump each old DB with miscldump and import into the new account's databases, and update database users and privileges. Also copy email files and adjust mailbox ownership so mail continues without interruption. Finish by updating application config files to use the new database names and user credentials, and fix any hard-coded paths pointing to /home/olduser. Test the site by editing your local host's file to point the domain to the server IP. Once confirmed, update DNSTTL and records. When confident, remove the old account in WHM after a final backup. If things go wrong, check /var/log/messages. cPanel.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.